Welcome to Deakin's Waterfront Campus. My name is Joel, and I'm a full-time nursing and psychological science student at Waterfront. Right now, I'm going to give you an exclusive look at life as a student by the bay. You're going to love it. The Waterfront Campus is exactly that, right by the water, overlooking Corio Bay, and right beside the busy Geelong CBD. Whilst the campus has only been around since 1994, its story stretches back to the 19th century. Previously the famous Geelong Woolstores, the campus combines a history-rich foundation with modern learning spaces and beautifully designed social areas. The library is the heart of the campus and is located in the John Hay building. This is 100% my favourite place to be. You can often find me here in one of the study nooks that are perfect for quiet revision or a quick catch-up with friends. Deakin's library network extends across its 4 campuses and is available online 24/7. So if you do your best work in the small hours of the morning, the resources are always accessible. Oh, and an insider tip. Be sure to make use of the liaison librarians, who are here to help you navigate your own particular study stream. The Waterfront Campus is also the proud home of the Alfred Deakin Ministerial Library. It houses special collections and a gallery for local and travelling exhibitions. For me, this place is great for the occasional reset and reflect. The John Hay is also where you'll find Student Central. Student Central encompasses everything from the Health and Wellbeing Centre, prayer and multi-faith rooms, parent rooms, the Disability Resource Centre, and DUSA, the Deakin University Student Association. Joining the Student Union opens you up to new ideas and new people, all in a supportive, dynamic, and inclusive community. DUSA is also available for a wide range of advocacy services, including financial counselling and student welfare. When getting around campus, you can't miss the beautifully designed outdoor spaces. The John Hay Courtyard is a great place to meet up with friends by the sculptures, or you can head through the Arched Gate to the Jarvis Britton's forecourt for a chill out on the grass. Need a break? The Common is open Monday to Friday and has plenty of space for lunch, while Mr. Todd, just outside the library, is perfect for brain-fueling coffee and sandwiches. Staying fit is easy when Deakin Active offers weekly group bootcamp and yoga sessions. There's even a free shuttle bus to the Warren Ponds campus to take full advantage of the recently refurbished, state-of-the-art fitness centre. And there you have it. That's your exclusive look at the Waterfront campus. Before leaving home, always be sure to drop by deakin.edu.au for any changes or updates to campus access. As a student at Deakin, you're part of a huge community, and we cannot wait to see you.